In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Style Inspector to troubleshoot formatting. If you've ever wondered why a heading looks slightly off, or why two paragraphs don't match even though they should, the Style Inspector in your word processor is the tool that reveals exactly what's going on. Let's walk through how to use it clearly and confidently. Start by opening your document and heading to the Home tab. In the Styles group, look for the small diagonal arrow in the bottom right corner. That's the Styles dialog launcher. Click it to open the Styles pane. Inside that pane, you'll see a magnifying glass icon labeled Style Inspector. Click that to open a compact window that shows what styles are applied to whatever text you have selected. Now, select the text that's giving you trouble. You can drag across a word, a sentence, or an entire paragraph, but try to select only the area where you notice the inconsistency. The Style Inspector will instantly display three key pieces of information: the paragraph style, the character style, and any direct formatting. Here's what those mean. Paragraph style is the backbone of your formatting. It controls things like spacing before and after, line spacing, indentation, alignment, and often the font for the whole paragraph. Character style is applied on top of that to specific characters or words, usually for effects like emphasis or code formatting. Direct formatting is anything manually applied, like clicking bold, changing the font or size, applying a color, or tweaking spacing by hand. When something looks inconsistent, it's often because direct formatting is overriding the style, or a character style is layered where you didn't intend it. If the paragraph style is incorrect or cluttered with overrides, use Clear Paragraph Style in the Style Inspector. This resets the paragraph-level formatting back to the default defined by the underlying style, removing manual tweaks that crept in. If a word or phrase looks odd within an otherwise correct paragraph, use Clear Character Style. That removes character-level overrides so the text inherits the formatting from the paragraph style as intended. Take a moment to review the results after clearing. If the formatting snaps into place and matches the rest of your document, you've found the culprit. If needed, select other problem areas and repeat the same review and clear actions. By focusing on one selection at a time, you'll quickly restore consistency without guessing. That's all there is to it. Open the Styles pane, launch the Style Inspector, select the problematic text, review the styles and direct formatting, and clear paragraph or character styles to fix conflicts.